We just got a package in the mail. Let's go check it out. Courtesy of Japanese plates. Oh, look at it. It looks so good. Oh. Most likely going to put on the front and just not run the front plate because why not? They also shipped me this bracket so I can finally mount this without zip ties. So that's cool. With a bunch of hardware. Yeah, go check them out. CustomJapanesePlates.com. I won one of their giveaways. Comes with instructions. So that's what we're doing today. And I got a bracket. Where's the bracket at? I got this here bracket for the front. So, because shitty Maryland has to, you know, but I was thinking about putting it down here, like right there. Only problem is there's like, it'd be easy to just put on the bumper, but there's like a frame right there. So that's gonna be a pain in the ass. I really don't want to put it here. So we're gonna figure that out. So we got the custom bracket on there. Fits well. There's no issues with fitment. The screws that came with it went in perfectly. And now I'm gonna put the license plate on. So I drilled through the bumper. I got some screws in there. I kind of mocked it up. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them down. I mounted it like reverse. It's supposed to be like top down. It's supposed to hang. License plate will just sit against that. It shouldn't be too bad. It would be nice if I could have put the bracket under there, but it's too tight. There's no room. And with it under here, it just hung too low. So yeah. All right, so we got that on, bolted in. Had to give it the old reach around to get up under there. So now we're gonna put the plate on. Yes. Boo. Yes. Oh yeah. Now it's just a show plate, obviously. So the US plate has holes on the top and the bottom. So I was like, oh, I can just mount both from the bottom. Nope. Japanese plates only have top holes, so it has to hang low like that. But that's fine because I can't drive around with that plate on. But I mean, it's only for shows, and I'm not supposed to drive around. Dumb Maryland state law, you gotta have front and rear. So I couldn't really get away with that anyway. But I mean, it's clean, man. I like it. Looks good. All right. So that's it. Quick video today. Just license plate bracket. We got Senku. I'm trying to get a Senku sticker made, like the peeker stickers that go on like the side window. I reached out to a company. I haven't heard back. They said they do custom orders, but guess we're gonna have to message another one. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.